Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, November 12th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we have breakfast pizza. For lunch, we'll have corn dog. On Monday, our breakfast will be ham and cheese croissant, and for lunch will be quesadilla. Yesterday, we were out of school in observance of Veterans Day. The 11th of November is Veterans Day, and it honors all who have served our country. So I hope you took a moment to think about all of those people who have served and the sacrifices they made to give us the freedoms that we have today. Veterans Day is November 11th, and that is why we were out of school yesterday. So take a moment, always on November 11th, but on any day, to honor and remember those who served and gave us our freedoms. Today's announcements. Please post attendance. Also copies. Please be mindful of your copier usage and use Print Shop as much as you can as you plan in advance. Math chats are available on Tuesday. See Miss Linscomb's Friday Focus from last week for more information. Late duty today is Miss Battaglia. The word of the day is quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a polygon with four sides. Remember, we had polygon a couple of days ago. And a polygon, we remember, is a 2D figure. So a quadrilateral has four sides. Important dates. Today is November 12th. It's World Kindness Day, and the budget survey's due. November 18th, we have our HMH representative on campus. November 22nd through 26th is Thanksgiving break. And December 17th is the deadline for the partnership conferences that have been taking place. Lots of partnership conferences have been going on, so great job, teachers. And today, we are celebrating at Kate Shepherd World Kindness Day. The purpose of World Kindness Day is to highlight good deeds in the community because kindness is the common thread that unites us all. World Kindness Day actually takes place on November 13th, but since we weren't in school that day, we did not want to miss our chance to spread some kindness in our community and around our school. So, I hope everyone takes the extra opportunity today to be kind to others and to spread some kindness and make someone smile today for being extra nice to them. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Shepherd Scholars.